Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. Open your cameras. Open your cameras. Kavish, keep your mic off and camera on.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. Open your cameras.
Good morning, ma'am.
Who is this?
Good morning, ma'am.
Who is this? Okay.
Good morning, ma'am.
Open your cameras. Open your cameras.
Bluetooth mode.
Quickly open your cameras. Open your cameras quickly. Arrange in ascending and descending order we have completed yesterday. So today we are going to start the skip countings. Open your cameras, quick. Quickly open your cameras. Just everyone, Priya. Very good morning to all of you. Now open your cameras quickly. Priya, your camera is still not open. Be quick.
Ma'am.
Good morning.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning.
Good morning, ma'am. Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning to the whole class. Now open your cameras and sit. Look here.
Ma'am, which page number?
कार्तिक कुछ भी हाँ which page number कुछ भी बोलोगे anything which page number अभी पढ़ाना start नहीं किया मैंने which page number very good all right here on the board everyone now we are going to start skip counting now look here on the board everyone we are going to start skip counting today what is the day today Thursday all right so let me start skip counting what do you mean by skipping what do you mean by skipping everyone please keep your mics off keep your mics off
Jump.
what do you mean by skipping what do you mean by the word skip
Ma'am, jumping.
Jumping. Okay, very good. Skipping means jumping. And what do you mean by skip? Skip.
Ma'am, jump.
Yes, jump. Skip something means to miss something in between. To miss something in between is known as किसी चीज को miss कर देना. बीच में किसी चीज को छोड़ देना. That is known as skip. All right, Priya, Siddhant, and Samar Tikiani and Vashish. Shall I throw you out of the meeting and Raghav Negi? Shall I throw you out of the meeting because your camera should be on and I don't like repeating the things again and again. So it's better I throw you out of the meeting. Especially Priya and Siddharth.
We have to do this in our max piano.
All right. Now look here. See. Skip. What do you mean by skip? Skip means to miss something in between. For example, do not write anything. Fold your arms. Fold your arms. Look here. Nobody will write anything. Just look here. Skip means to miss something in between. For example, if it is given 5, I have written 10 here. I've written 15 here. 20 here. So we are skipping 5s. How many numbers we are skipping? We are skipping 5s. We are skipping 5 here. We are skipping 5 numbers here. Skip jump of 5 numbers. As you say, as Kana told us right now, skipping means jump. We are jumping 5 numbers. We are jumping 5 numbers. We are jumping 5 numbers. All right. We are jumping 5 numbers. Okay. So skipping means jumping. Skipping means
Excuse me, ma'am.
jumping.
Can I tell something?
Yes, beta. Vashish, speak.
Ma'am, skipping also known as the table. Just like 5, 10, 15,
No,
20.
beta,
Just
it's
like
not
5
table.
5.
Beta, no. You can do it in that way. Skipping does not mean table. Skipping means to jump. Yes, you can use that method, but skipping means jump. Skipping means jump. All right. Now, beta, ये रोहित, Priya, Arhan, and Siddhant. इनको क्या करूँ मैं? Shall I throw them out of this class? And Priya, now if your camera is off, I'll throw you out. Priya especially, because she never switched her camera on since the class started. Yes. So skipping means jumping. Skipping means jumping only, does not mean the table. Okay, beta, table is the wrong method. ठीक है? चलो, skipping. Suppose there are many skippings. Suppose if we skip twos, in between, how it will be? Suppose the number is 2000. 2000. So the next number will be what? 2002, 2004, 2006. This is the skip.
2008.
Yes, like this. 2000, 2002, 2004, 2006. We are skipping twos here. And if the number is 4001, what will be the next number then?
Ma'am, 4002.
No,
4003.
4003. 4003. So this way we skip in twos. Skipping in twos. This is known as skipping in.
It is 4. It is not 4004. It is 4005.
Very good. Thank you for telling. Very nice. ठीक है? So now everyone open your maths fair notebook. Open maths fair notebook quickly. Open your maths fair notebook. New page. Everyone will open their maths fair notebook, a new page. I hope everyone understood what is skipping in twos. You know odd and even numbers?
तुम आ जाओ, मुझे करवाओ, बहुत बारी आई है इसकी. Yes ma'am, I know the even numbers.
Everyone knows odd numbers are which have
1 3 5
5
7 11 13.
Yes, 1 3 5 7 9 11 13. Okay, these are
odd number.
Yes, these are odd even. What are even numbers?
0 2 4 8 0 2 4 6 8.
All right, now write exercise 1. Okay, very good. Now write exercise 1.10 at the top and start doing this question. Write question A. Write question A. Complete the grid. Take out maths fair notebook. New page. Yes, it's on a new page. Wait. It's on a new page. Okay. Write this complete the, wait a second. If it is not coming in one line, then you can do in next line. Then you can continue in second line. If it is not coming in one line, you can continue in second line. Switch off your mic. Beta, I will tell you the first one. How to do the first one. I will tell you the first one. अभी give me 1 minute. अभी मैं बता रही हूँ कि कैसे होगा. Wait. First वाला कैसे होगा? I will tell you. Second one you have to do it yourself. All right. First one I'll tell you. 98658. Okay, see the first one, how it will be done. Look here, everyone. See, I will write the answers with the brown pen. Okay, 5720. And here it is given 26. If you write 2122 here, it will not be the correct one. Ab now see, if you will write 5, skip in 2's likha hai upar. If you read the question, Karthik, read the question. What is written in the question A? Karthik, read the question.
Complete the grade by skip counting in twos.
Yes, very good. Skip counting in twos we have to do. That means we have to skip count in twos. 572 ke baad if you skip 2, what will be the next number? 5722. Okay. Now tell me what will be the next number after this 5722. 5724. Very good. Now after 26, what will be the next number?
5728.
Yes, good everyone. 5728 and 5730. And see here it is coming 32 itself. All right. Now write question number 3 here.
We will underline it with colors or with pencil.
Beta, use pencil. Do not do anything with the colors in maths notebook. Okay. If you want, if you have time, then you can do it. If you have time, then you can do it. But quickly, बाद में कर लेना बेटा after the class. But right now, do it quickly. We have less time. You can color it afterwards if you want.
Your class चल पड़ी.
What is this? Continuously talking.
चल पड़ी.
Gargi, well, please switch off your mic.
Ma'am, only 3 questions. We will.
Yes.
Ma'am, we have to also make the dashes.
Yes. Underline it. You don't have to make dash. You have to underline it.
much of work.
Okay.
Ma'am, I am on second question. Ma'am, I am done.
No need to tell me. No need to tell me.
Can I send?
No.
Ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, I done. So can I send you my work?
No.
Okay.
Done, all of you? Done?
No, ma'am, I am.
Do it quickly.
Ma'am, I am done.
Do it quickly.
Ma'am, I am done.
All right.
Ma'am,
Don't
I
shout.
am done.
Don't shout. Do it quickly.
Ma'am, I am done.
No need to send it. No need to send it.
Ma'am, I have done. I have done.
All right. Do it quickly. Complete it quickly, everyone.
Ma'am, I have done. Ma'am, I have also done. Ma'am, I have done it.
All right.
Ma'am, please. Ma'am, I am copying the question only. Ma'am, I have also done the work. Write the answer.
Excuse me. I hope some of you have done it, right? Avika, sit straight.
Ma'am, I have done my work. Dials.
Beta Gaurav, I have done my work ke baad. Switch your mic off as soon as possible because there is a lot of noise from back.
Ma'am, I have also done my work.
All right. There are so many students, those who have not opened their camera, like Anvi, Jasleen, Vashisht, Arhan, Prasant, Prakhar. Beta Arhan, I said not to send your answers. And Arhan, your third answer is wrong. Do not send answers. And your third answer is wrong, Arhan. All right. Okay, Rohit. Rohit.
Yes, ma'am.
Open your camera.
Yes, ma'am.
Where is your camera?
Ma'am, my camera is open.
Now it should be open. It should not be switched off. Okay?
Excuse me, ma'am.
हाँ.
Ma'am, I have done my work.
इतनी सी बात कहने के लिए excuse me, ma'am. Okay, Anvi, tell the second answer.
Ma'am, the second answer.
Yes, Anvi.
Okay, ma'am, 9,654.
Very good. Wait a second, beta. Let me also write it. Wait. 9,600. How much?
54.
All right. Now the next one. Tell me the next one.
9,656.
Very good. Very nice. Tell me the next one.
9,658.
Who is speaking in between when she is telling the answer?
Ma'am, 9,662.
Okay, very nice. All right. Now let me ask some. Triya, tell the answer of this one.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, 4,000.
Is it correct, Triya?
No, ma'am, 4,049.
Very good. Very nice. Tell the next one.
4,040.
6. 6. Are you sure? If you skip 1 after 3, if you skip 2s, then it will be 6.
No, ma'am, it is wrong answer. No, ma'am, 4,045.
Yes, 4,045. Yes, then 4,047. After this, what will come here?
Ma'am, 4,048.
48. Are you
49.
sure?
49.
Yes.
Ma'am, it is wrong, 49.
Yes. Okay. 4,049. What comes after 4,049?
Ma'am, 4,051.
4,051. All right. Okay, very good. Chalo, acha, let me give you one puzzle. But you have to promise me one thing. I will give you puzzle time to time, but one thing. Nobody will ask me, ma'am, हमें ये copy में करना है. Ma'am, हमें ये कहाँ करना है? Ma'am, ये हमें कहाँ करना है? If somebody will ask me, I will stop asking you some good puzzles. Some interesting puzzles. Okay? Nobody will ask me. Like mental maths question. Aryan, your mic is switched off. You are speaking something, but your mic is switched off.
No, ma'am, I am not speaking.
Acha, I thought you were speaking. So yes, I will give you puzzle, but nobody will write anything anywhere. कोई कुछ कहीं पर भी नहीं लिखना है. ये सिर्फ एक puzzle है, just to tell you, just to enjoy. Okay?
So, ma'am, we close our book or copy?
No, don't close your books. We keep on studying also, but in the middle, I will ask you puzzles also. All right?
Ma'am, it is orally.
Yes,
Okay.
it is it is oral one. Yes, you can say it is oral one. Yes. Okay, the puzzle is, nobody will write anything anywhere in the puzzle. Wait a minute. It's just a puzzle. It's not coming in your math syllabus. कहीं पर लिखना भी नहीं. अगर किसी ने मुझसे पूछ लिया, मैम ये कॉपी में करना है, then I will not tell you. I will not give you any interesting puzzle. ठीक है? All right? Okay, the puzzle is, with the black pen I'm writing, the puzzle is, if 1 is equals to 3, if 1 equals to 3, 2 equals to 3, 3 equals to 5. Stop, keep your mics off.
in the movie too.
Anvi, keep your
Yes,
mic off.
ma'am.
Beta, make sure that mic is off when you're speaking somewhere else. And do not speak in between. 4 equals to 4. Do not write this anywhere. इसको लिखना नहीं है कहीं पर भी. Just listen, look here. 5 equals to 4. Then you have to tell 6 is equals to how much?
Ma'am, 8. Ma'am,
No.
5.
No.
5.
No.
Ma'am, 4. 6.
No, wrong answer.
Ma'am, 3. Ma'am, 6.
Who is saying 3?
Ma'am, 3.
3 I say.
Ma'am, 3 on my exam.
Why 3? Why the answer is 3?
Because ma'am.
Why 3? With the reason. Tell me with the reason that why is it this?
Because which the answer is coming, it's minusing.
No, this is not the correct answer.
Ma'am,
it is very easy. बेटे इसमें कहीं पर भी मैथ्स यूज नहीं हो रही है. इसमें कहीं पर भी मैथ्स यूज नहीं हो रही है. No, wrong.
Ma'am, 7.
No, wrong. Wrong.
Ma'am, 3.
No, wrong. Yes, who is saying 3?
Ma'am, I Kavish.
Kavish. Why Kavish?
Ma'am, 8. Ma'am, 8.
No, wrong.
Ma'am, 5.
No.
Ma'am, 3. Ma'am, 9.
Huh?
Ma'am, 9. Ma'am, 10.
No, wrong.
Ma'am, 9.
No.
Ma'am, 8.
No.
Ma'am, 9.
No, wrong.
Ma'am, 1. Ma'am, 1.
No, wrong.
Ma'am, 1. 3. 4. Ma'am, the answer is 5. Ma'am, the answer is 3. Ma'am, the answer is 3.
Chalo, I am telling you the correct answer. Our correct answer is 3. See, the correct answer is 3. No, wrong, Siddhant. See, our correct answer is 3. Now, what you have to tell me, why the answer is 3? The correct answer is 3. Can you tell me why the correct answer is 3?
Ma'am, 1 plus 3 equals to 6.
No. Beta, no maths is applied here.
Ma'am, in the first one there is 2 3s, and in the third one there is 1 5, and in the fourth and fifth one there is 2 4s.
No,
so
wrong.
There will come a 3.
No, wrong. No maths is applied here. यहाँ पे maths तो use ही नहीं हो रही है. Without maths question नहीं है. Maths का question ही नहीं है. It's not related to the patterns. Chalo, shall I tell you the answer or you give up? Is somebody trying? Are you giving up? You are trying? Chalo, got 2 more minutes to try. Then I will tell you the answer. Aryan? Are you able to understand? कुछ आ रहा है समझ में? Why the answer is 3?
No, ma'am.
It is very interesting question and no maths is used here. No maths is used here. It is not a question of maths. Yes, maths related question. Yes.
Ma'am, I was saying that. Ma'am, it is 6 4s.
No, wrong.
Ma'am, because it is plus 9.
No, it is also wrong.
Ma'am, it is 3. Ma'am, please tell the question again.
Beta, everything is mentioned on the board. Please check it.
Ma'am, 3 1.
No, wrong.
Ma'am, 3 9.
No, now I'm telling you. Chalo, this is not. No. Chalo, I am telling you. I am telling you. Chalo, one hint I am giving to you. One hint I am giving to you. No, the answer is 3. But why is it the correct answer? Chalo, one hint I am giving to you. It is related to the number name. It is related to the number name.
63. 600.
Beta, answer is 3. But why is it 3? Many of you told me the correct answer, but why is it 3? Nobody give me the reason. Open your camera so that I can see you're not taking help from your parents. Nobody is taking the help from their parents.
Ma'am, 63.
No. Now look here. Okay, your time is up. Okay, time is up. Switch off your mics. Switch off your mics. Switch off your mics. Time is up. Okay. How do you write 1? What is the number? Prakhar, switch off your mic. How do you write 1? O-N. What is the spell? How do you write the number name of 1? I give you one hint. Number name.
Only 1.
Only 1. All right. Okay, correct. How do you write 2? In number name. T-W-O. How do you write 3?
T-H-R-W.
How do you write 4?
F-O-U-R.
How do you write 5?
F-I-E.
How do you write 6? अब देखो कुछ समझ आ रहा है? अब कुछ समझ आया?
I know. There are 3 digits in one number.
Very
That's why
good.
you like 3.
Yes.
And
देखो O-N-E में listen.
How much words will
See, yes. Yes. O-N-E. O-N-E 3. T-W-O 2 3. 1 2 3. Siddhant, switch off your mic. 1 2 3 4 5. There are 5 letters in 3. So the answer is coming 5 here. 1 2 3 4. 4 letters are coming in 4. That is 4. 1 2 3 4 and 5. Then 4. 6 में there are 1 2 3. There are 3 letters. So you will write here 3. Got it?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, I got it.
All right. Is it a good question? Is it a good puzzle?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Yes,
All right.
Yes,
Okay. Now next question. Take out your maths. Okay, maths fair notebook on the same page. Chalo, let's start doing again. Maths fair notebook, same page.
Ma'am, we have to draw a line.
Yes, draw the line and start doing this. Wait a minute. Just look here, everyone on my board. Look here. Now I am telling you how to skip in tens. How to skip in tens. Skip in tens. Look here. And the board, look here. Keep your arms folded. Now I'm going to tell you how to skip in tens and hundreds. See, if the number is 25, if we skip in tens, it will be 35. If we skip in tens, it will be 45. Next, it will be 55. Tens की place value जो होती है, उसमें 1 increase करते रहते हैं. ठीक है? If the number is 1024, so the next number will be 1034. Because we are skipping in tens. Tens means 10 की place value. 1, 10. 1024, 1034. If you add 10 to it, it will become 1044. If you add 10 to it, it will become 1055. Oh, 1054. Then it will become 1064. Understood? This is like this. We will change the place value of tens with increase 1. 1024, 1034, 1044 and 1064. See, every time this number will get increased. Tens वाला. और skip hundreds में कैसे करते हैं? Skip hundreds. How we will do in skip hundreds? We will skip the 1 number at hundreds place. See, 31024. It will become 1124. 1 will become 2. 1 2 2 4. F2 will become 1, 3, 2, 4 like this. Understood? Okay. Now open your maths fair notebook. Same page. Okay, right question. Wait. Right question.
I not have space, so can I write on next one?
Obviously, yes, beta. This is the common sense. Okay, Vashir?
Okay, ma'am.
When space is not there and I'm asking you to write from the same page, so what you can do, you just, and you don't have a page, obviously you have to start from the next page. Wait a minute. 380. Skip count in hundreds na? हाँ, ठीक है.
मैम सेम पेज पे करना है.
Okay, question B.
We have to write same page.
Beta, what is written at the top? What is written at the top?
I have no space, then I will write in other page.
This is the common sense out of Tiwari. Right now, I told this to Vashir, same thing. I explained this and still you asking the same answer question. Okay, skip count in tens and write the numbers from this. Right, question 1. I'm going to teach you on question 1 right now because time is less. 2100. We have to start and we have to end at 2160. 2160. Like this we have to do. We will start from 2100. So see. We will start with 2100. What will, if we skip in tens, what will be the next number?
21.
Very good, Raghav. Very nice, Raghav. 2120 is the next number. 2130 is the next number. 2140 is the next number. 215. We will increase 10 at tens place. One number at tens place. 2160. Okay, as soon as देखो हमें कहाँ से start करना था? We have to start from 2100 to 2160. As soon as 2160 comes, we will stop writing. But if it is not coming in one line, use the second line. Vayun, read the second question. We will read the question B at the top. What is written at the question B?
Skip count in tens and write numbers from.
Yes, very good. We'll complete this tomorrow. Okay?
Ma'am, I have to do it.
This meeting is going to be over. So we'll do that. Beta, there is one homework. Chalo, second question is your homework and third question is your homework. So I'm giving 2 more questions to you. That is your homework.
And third one also, ma'am.
Yes. Chalo, leave it.
Okay.
Leave it. I will do it. I will show you tomorrow. Let them do. I will teach you tomorrow the rest 2 questions.
I'm not home to give it.
What, Bashir?
Ma'am, I'm not do question 1.
Beta, it's already given in your note WhatsApp group. You can check it from there.
Okay, ma'am. And please, you are sending homework, so you cancel the homework.
Let it be no homework. Then.